Have you ever found yourself in a hurry, desperately needing to know the address of a Tangerine bank branch? It's a common dilemma, especially when you're in a new city or facing an unexpected financial situation. Imagine this: you're standing in front of a shiny new Tangerine bank building, its logo gleaming in the sunlight. You finally found it, but now you're wondering, how did I get here? The answer is simple: you've done your research. Understanding Tangerine Bank. Before we dive into the address, let's take a moment to understand what Tangerine Bank is. It's a Canadian direct bank, known for its online and mobile-focused banking services. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches on every corner, Tangerine operates exclusively online. This means there are no brick-and-mortar locations to visit. Why there's no physical address? So, why doesn't Tangerine Bank have a physical address? The answer lies in its business model. As a direct bank, Tangerine leverages technology to provide its customers with convenient and efficient banking services. By eliminating the need for physical branches, they can reduce overhead costs and pass on savings to their customers in the form of competitive interest rates and fees. How to find Tangerine Bank? While there's no physical address to visit, you can still access Tangerine Bank services in several ways. Online banking. Simply visit Tangerine's website and log into your account. You can perform most banking tasks, such as transferring funds, paying bills, and checking your account balance, directly online. Mobile app. Download the Tangerine mobile app to your smartphone or tablet. The app offers a user-friendly interface and allows you to access your account on the go. Telephone banking. If you prefer to speak with a representative, you can call Tangerine's customer service line. Their agents can assist you with various banking needs. Tangerine's commitment to customer service. Even though Tangerine doesn't have physical branches, they are committed to providing excellent customer service. Their website and mobile app offer comprehensive FAQs and resources to help you find the information you need. Additionally, their customer service representatives are available to answer your questions and resolve any issues. So, while you won't find a Tangerine Bank address on a map, you can still access their services conveniently through their online platform, mobile app, or by phone. Remember, the future of banking is digital, and Tangerine is at the forefront of this trend. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.